Hi everyone, I'm Oliver from Salon Service Group, and welcome back to our Product Spotlight series. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming product spotlights for our brand's newest products. For today's product spotlight, we're going to be talking about 1821's Deep Cleansing, Moisturizing Detox Bar with Activated Charcoal. Activated charcoal has many great benefits. If you have skin like mine that's super oily, activated charcoal is perfect because it goes in and absorbs those excess oils while also removing impurities from the skin. If you or your clients suffer from acne-prone skin, activated charcoal is a great addition to your skincare routine. It helps pull dirt and grime out of your pores and helps your skin look fresh and fine. If you're familiar with 1821's product, the soap features a sweet tobacco scent, which has notes of Virginia pipe tobacco and dark toned vanilla, which I find irresistible. If you're looking to expand your retail selection, especially during the holiday season, this soap could be a great addition. Your clients are always looking for something for their friends and family, and this could be the unexpected thing they need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming spotlights of our brand's newest products. If you don't already, follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Salon Service Group. As always, I'm Oliver, and you're an inspiration.